How to share games on Steam using Steam Family. This tutorial shows you how to let another Steam account access your game library. First, open the Steam app on your computer. After that, click on Steam at the top left, then click Settings. From there, click on the Family tab. At this point, click on Manage Steam Family Group. In the next step, click on Invite a Family Member. Following this, enter the username or email of the person you want to share your library with. Once done, click Send Invite. From here, the invited person needs to accept the invite from their own Steam account. At this stage, once accepted, go back to your family settings and choose which games you'd like to share with them. Keep in mind, some games are excluded from sharing due to publisher restrictions, so not every title in your library may be available to share. Finally, the other person can now see and play your shared games from their own Steam library, as long as you're not playing the same game at the same time. And that's it. If this guide helped you share games on Steam using Steam Family, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.